Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says to run this application you first must install one of the following versions of the .NET framework, version 4.2 or better. So how you can do this, let's get started. Now go over to your Google Chrome or any other browser you like and then search for .NET framework download. Now open the first link from Microsoft. Here you have to scroll down a bit till you find these. You have to find your framework version. As for us, we want 4.0, so we don't find 4.0 here. Click on this arrow button which says out of support versions. Open this menu and scroll down a bit, and here you will find framework 4.0. Click on this and then make sure you install offline installer. Do not install web installer. Just go over to your offline installer and then click on runtime. Once you do this, it will download the file. Just run the file and install it in your PC and then restart your PC, and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.